She inyi KETSEW niyim. She inyi KETSEW niyim. This is an idiomatic expression used in Fante. She means nothing. Inyi, that is, does not or does not exist. KETSEW is the fancy name for a lizard. Niyim is its stomach. So literally, this idiom means there is nothing in the stomach of a lizard. There is nothing in the stomach of a lizard. She inyi KETSEW niyim. What is the meaning of this idiomatic expression used by the Fantes? This idiom conveys the idea of being unafraid or immune to common fears. It also implies a sense of bravery and calmness in the face of what others might find scary. She inyi KETSEW niyim. She inyi KETSEW niyim.